Alright, so I had a little accident in the garage the other day. My 8-foot fiberglass ladder fell and landed on the fender. Left 3 nice dents. One right here, one right here, and one up here on the hood. I'm on my way to take it to a PDR shop, Paintless Dent Removal, to see how it can be repaired. Stay tuned. Alright, so I just got the truck back from Paintless Dent Removal, and I'm very, very pleased. You can see the dents are gone. And it's almost imperceptible to the eye. You'd have to know exactly where to look. And honestly, I'm very, very pleased. So I'm gonna leave a link to these guys that did this work in the description box below. Is Dents and Dings LLC in Rock Hill, South Carolina. It's just fantastic work. There's just one tiny spot that was a scuff from the ladder right there. It's probably like 1/8 of an inch of a scuff. But like, stand back, you can't see the dents from any angle, so I'm very, very pleased with the results. I'm trying to show a few angles along the body lines. Very happy.